Print on demand is a business model that enables entrepreneurs to sell customized products without having to worry about the upfront costs and inventory management that come with traditional manufacturing. With the rise of e-commerce and advancements in digital printing technology, print on demand has become an increasingly popular way for individuals and small businesses to sell products online. In this video, we'll take a look at the 6 hottest print on demand products to sell in 2023. Number 1. T-shirts, the ultimate print on demand product. T-shirts are one of the most popular print on demand products due to their versatility, customization options, and ease of sale. The demand for T-shirts is constantly growing, making them an excellent choice for businesses of all types. With a wide range of sizes and colors to choose from, businesses can offer a unique and personalized experience to their customers. One of the biggest advantages of selling T-shirts through print on demand is the ability to offer custom designs. This allows businesses to create unique and eye-catching products that appeal to specific target markets. Businesses can also add their brand logos, slogans, or other graphics to the T-shirts, making them an excellent marketing tool. This is especially helpful for small businesses that want to get more people to know about their brand and stay loyal to them. Another advantage of print-on-demand T-shirts is the ease of selling. With the rise of e-commerce, businesses can reach a global market with just a few clicks. There is no need to worry about manufacturing, shipping, or storage costs, as print-on-demand companies handle all of these aspects for you. This allows businesses to focus on marketing and selling their products without having to worry about the complexities of traditional manufacturing. Print-on-demand T-shirts are also cost-effective, as they only need to be manufactured when they are ordered. This eliminates the need for large upfront investments and allows businesses to test different designs and products without incurring significant costs. Additionally, print-on-demand companies typically offer low minimum order quantities, making it possible for businesses to start small and scale up as needed. T-shirts are an excellent choice for businesses looking to sell print-on-demand products. With the ability to offer custom designs, the ease of selling, and the cost-effectiveness of print-on-demand, businesses can reach a global market, build their brand awareness, and increase customer loyalty. Whether you're a small business looking to expand or a seasoned entrepreneur looking for a new product line, print-on-demand T-shirts are a great choice. Number 2. Phone cases. Phone cases have become a must-have accessory for smartphone owners, and with the growing popularity of smartphones, they have become a staple in the print-on-demand market. Entrepreneurs looking to take advantage of this trend can offer a range of styles and designs to appeal to different customer preferences and create phone cases for a variety of different models. One of the main benefits of selling phone cases through print-on-demand is that it eliminates the need for large upfront investments and inventory management. Traditional manufacturing methods require large minimum order quantities and upfront investments, which can be a barrier for small businesses and entrepreneurs. With print-on-demand, however, businesses can create and sell phone cases on demand, which allows them to offer a wider range of products and test different designs without incurring significant costs. Another advantage of print-on-demand is that it allows businesses to offer highly personalized products to their customers. With print-on-demand, businesses can create custom phone cases with a range of designs, quotes, and images that appeal to their target audience. This level of customization is not possible with traditional manufacturing methods, and it gives businesses a unique advantage in the market. In addition to the benefits of print-on-demand, there are also several different styles and designs that entrepreneurs can offer to appeal to different customer preferences. From slim and lightweight cases to tough and rugged cases, there is a style to suit everyone's needs. Entrepreneurs can also offer a variety of colors and materials, such as clear, silicone, and leather, to appeal to different tastes and preferences. Phone cases are a popular and growing market for print-on-demand businesses. With the benefits of print-on-demand, including lower upfront costs and the ability to offer highly personalized products and a range of styles and designs to appeal to different customer preferences, entrepreneurs can tap into this market and reach customers all over the world. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to expand an existing one, Selling phone cases through print on demand is a great way to reach customers and grow your brand. Number 3. Mugs. Mugs are a popular item that can be found in most households and offices. They're not only functional for drinking, but also serve as a decorative item that can be customized to reflect an individual's personality and style. As a print-on-demand product, mugs are an attractive option for entrepreneurs looking to tap into the growing e-commerce market. One of the benefits of selling mugs as a print-on-demand product is the versatility of the product. Mugs come in a range of sizes, styles, and materials, which means that entrepreneurs can offer a variety of options to their customers. From classic ceramic mugs to stainless steel travel mugs, there is a mug to suit every need and taste. Another advantage of selling mugs as a print-on-demand product is the ease of customization. With digital printing technology, entrepreneurs can easily create unique designs, quotes, and images that can be printed on mugs. Whether customers are looking for mugs with inspirational quotes, funny jokes, or personalized images, print-on-demand mugs offer a unique and memorable way to show their style and personality. Mugs make great gifts for friends, family, and coworkers, and can be sold online or through brick-and-mortar stores. Entrepreneurs can target a wide range of customers, from coffee lovers to collectors of unique and personalized items. By offering a range of designs, styles, and materials, businesses can tap into a growing market and reach customers all over the world. Mugs are a popular and versatile print-on-demand product that offer entrepreneurs a cost-effective and easy way to sell customized items online. With the ability to offer a range of styles, designs, and materials, businesses can reach a wide range of customers and grow their brand in the process. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to expand an existing one, selling mugs as a print-on-demand product is a great way to reach customers and grow your brand. Number 4. Posters. Posters are a versatile and cost-effective way to add personality and style to any space. They are a popular item for home decor and are also ideal for office spaces, dorm rooms, and bedrooms. With print-on-demand, entrepreneurs can create custom posters that feature a range of designs, quotes, and images to appeal to a wide range of customers. Posters are an excellent way to showcase personal interests and hobbies, express creativity, and brighten up any room. They can be used to decorate walls, create focal points, and set the tone for a space. Posters are also a great gift idea for friends and family, making them a popular choice for holidays and special occasions. With print-on-demand, entrepreneurs can create posters that are tailored to their target market. They can offer a range of sizes, styles, and designs to appeal to different customer preferences, and can even incorporate custom images and quotes. The possibilities are endless, and with print-on-demand, entrepreneurs can create posters that are unique and truly one-of-a-kind. In addition, print-on-demand posters are a cost-effective option compared to traditional printing methods. Entrepreneurs can save money on printing and shipping costs and can sell posters online without having to worry about managing inventory. With print-on-demand, entrepreneurs can sell posters directly to customers and take advantage of a growing market. Posters are a popular item for home decor and are also ideal for office spaces, dorm rooms, and bedrooms. With print-on-demand, entrepreneurs can create custom posters that feature a range of designs, quotes, and images to appeal to a wide range of customers. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to expand an existing one, print-on-demand posters are a great way to reach customers and grow your brand. Number 5. Hoodies and sweatshirts. Hoodies and sweatshirts are some of the most popular print-on-demand products available today, and for good reason. These items are not only comfortable and practical, but they also provide a blank canvas for entrepreneurs to showcase their creativity and individuality. One of the biggest advantages of selling hoodies and sweatshirts through a print-on-demand platform is the ease of customization. Entrepreneurs can create a wide range of designs, from simple text-based logos to complex graphic designs, and have them printed directly onto the garments. This makes print-on-demand a good choice for small businesses and individuals because it gives them a level of customization that was once only available from large manufacturers. Number 6. Canvas prints. Canvas prints are a popular item for home decor and are also ideal for office spaces and lobbies. With the rise of print-on-demand technology, entrepreneurs can now create custom canvas prints that feature a range of designs, quotes, and images. This allows businesses to tap into a growing market and reach customers all over the world with unique, high-quality prints. The beauty of canvas prints is that they can be customized to suit the specific needs and preferences of each customer. From abstract paintings to family photos, and from motivational quotes to nature scenes, there is a canvas print for everyone. This versatility makes canvas prints a popular choice for both personal and business use. For businesses, canvas prints are an excellent way to showcase products, services, and branding. They can be displayed in lobbies, conference rooms, and other public spaces, making them a great way to promote brand recognition and convey a professional image. Additionally, businesses can offer custom canvas prints to customers as a way to promote their brand and products. One of the biggest advantages of print-on-demand canvas prints is that businesses can sell them without having to worry about the upfront costs and inventory management that come with traditional manufacturing. Print-on-demand providers handle the production and shipping of the prints, freeing up businesses to focus on marketing and sales. This makes print-on-demand a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Another advantage of print-on-demand canvas prints is that they are eco-friendly. Print-on-demand technology allows businesses to produce prints on demand, reducing waste and minimizing the impact on the environment. This is becoming increasingly important for customers who are looking for products that are made in a sustainable and responsible manner. Canvas prints are a popular and versatile product that can be used for both personal and business purposes. With print-on-demand technology, businesses can reach customers all over the world with high-quality, customized prints that are produced on demand. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to expand an existing one, canvas prints are an excellent way to reach customers and grow your brand. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the power of print-on-demand and the 6 most popular print-on-demand products to sell. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.